hello everybody. Yes, it is time for a Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, you guys know last month I needed a break, not just because of me being pregnant, but it's because I felt like Ibotta was really lame on couponing, and a lot of you guys love these kind of videos, and I'm just like, there's no need for me to keep doing the same deals over and over and over again. And I'm really hoping Ibotta kicks it up. Like, there's some good deals, but nothing that I really want to pay out of pocket. I like to pay as little out of pocket as possible, but I'm hoping Ibotta gets a little bit better, especially with Christmas shopping coming up. I went to Walmart today and they only had like 4 registers open. I at least spent over 15 minutes just waiting in line. Now I have to go to regular checkout because I don't like doing self-checkouts because I pay with my phone and they can't let you pay with your phone. So I'm just like, oh, and then I have my kid with me, which is not, no, yeah. But one thing I did end up doing is I had like $17 in my Walmart account. Every time I use Ibotta, I always put money. I get a gift card from Ibotta and then I put it on my Walmart Pay. So I put all my gift cards on my app. So then when I was at the checkout, I said, hey, I have some money on my Walmart Pay. I'm just gonna pay that. So I put my little thing on the register thing, how you guys pay with Walmart Pay, and then I paid the difference. I had like a couple dollars that I had to pay at a difference. Out popped my receipt, and then when I go back on the app, it says, would you like to submit for savings catcher? I said yes. So as long as you guys have some money on your Walmart Pay, like you just load a gift card. If you guys want, go to Walmart and buy like $5 gift cards. Just buy $5 gift cards. Put one gift card on there at a time every time you go to the store. Use that $5 Walmart Pay when you pay, and then pay the rest in cash, and you guys will still get a receipt that you can print that you guys can use for Ibotta, and you still will have it where you guys can submit your receipt to Savings Catcher. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. A lot of people are confused about Savings Catcher. Their policy just started just not that long ago, so I was able to submit my receipt. I just partially paid with my money that I had on my app, and then I paid the rest. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. I'm out of breath again, but here, let's just dig in so I can share with you guys what I got. Now, I ended up getting, I gotta catch my breath. I ended up getting Stay Free. Now, this was $2.86. There's a 75% off coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.11 for this, but then you guys will get a $1 rebate back on Ibotta, making it $1.11. Again, it's an okay deal. I think when you can get feminine products for $1, I say go for it. The next deal we got is the Carefree liners. These are $2.97. You guys want to use that 75% off coupon that is also available on coupons.com. You guys would pay $2.22 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making this $1.22. Now, if you guys don't have these coupons, you can also use the coupons.com app and submit your receipt. So, wanted to let you guys know what that. I had to catch my breath. I ended up getting the Halls longages or whatever. I don't like these. I don't like Halls at all. I like Ludens, but I thought my husband could give these to the guys at work. So these were $3.48. I used $1.25 off a 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $5.71, but then you guys get a $1 rebate on Ibotta and a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it $3.71. So it comes out to be like $1. I forgot the price, but it's like $1.50, 60 something, 70. So had to share with you guys on that. I ended up getting the Summer Eve's wipes. Now they have it for any kind of wipes. Now this rebate does end soon, but these were $1.72. Now I did get $1.50 off a 2 coupon that was on the Summer Eve's website, so I was able to print that off. You guys would end up paying just, I don't know why I wrote $2. I can't count. $1.72 plus $1.72, take away $1.50. I don't know why, but I wrote $2. That's not right. But you guys would end up getting submitting $1.50 for buying 2 on Ibotta, making it just 50 cents. Again, I can't count, so I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. I ended up getting the Johnson's Baby. Now this is the Baby Moisture. It keeps baby's skin soft, so this is a moisture wash. So I thought, I'm really liking this new stuff. And, you know, with the baby on the way, I like the little pumps. So this was $5.92. I used that $2 off coupon that we got on coupons.com. I would definitely print those off if you guys can. Now those coupons, you can only use 1 per transaction, just giving you guys a heads up. So if you want to do this deal more than once, you got to do separate transactions. But you guys use that $2 off coupon. You guys would pay $3.92 for this. But then you guys will submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it $1.92. Now there's a lot of Ibotta deals for Johnson right now because they have new packaging, so they want really people to try it, you know, buy it and all that jazz. So got that. I think $2 for this giant bottle is awesome. The next deal I got is the Johnson's Baby. Now this is the Baby Powder Fresh. My kid's making weird noises. But this was $2.86. Now this was found in the baby section. I didn't have any coupons to use for this, so I paid $2.86 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.86. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So I'm starting to get all my baby stuff that I need, because why get it for a shower when I can get it for couponing a whole lot cheaper than what somebody would pay for it. So just giving you guys a heads up on that. Okay, time to take a deep breath. My total came to $18.76. I ended up getting $8.50 back with Ibotta. I also got a 50-cent bonus because I just needed 5 rebates to finish level 1. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, but if that means if it's 50 cents, it's going to be a slow week, a slow month, which I'm used to that, so that's okay. So my grand total came to $9.76. I only got 8 items. That comes out to be $1.22 a piece. So not the greatest haul, but I was pretty excited, you know, to share with you guys what I got. I hope you guys can get a better haul than I did. If you guys enjoyed this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more weekly Ibotta hauls. And I'll see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.